Hi, we have come up with this video to share a few tricks of the trade to comply with the ongoing trends. Maths is a favorite among professors, but for those who do not possess the acumen, it can become a real horror story. So the only resolution out of the scary part is practice. Voraciously reading the newspaper and other reading passages can help you improve your awareness and general quality of your answers. Common sense is in common parlance not so common. So solving questions of this category will help develop a sense to solve questions of this nature. Lastly, practice makes perfect. So the thing to do is to take a lot of mock tests to develop a sense of timing. This would be to your added advantage. For this, I would recommend you to download the Prep Guru app developed by Youth for Work. So, if you value the content of our video, please like, share and comment to our channel.